Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create passport size photo using Photoshop mobile application. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my mobile phone and first of all, we need to open up our Adobe Photoshop application. This one, and I'm going to choose a photo from my device. You can choose the photo you want to edit guys, and for example, I'm going to create passport size photo using this one. Okay, this is just for an example, guys. And to create passport size photo, we're going to change the ratio. Usually, we use a 3:4 ratio for the passport size photo. If you want to change the aspect ratio, you can go to the crop menu right here. Select the crop and you can scroll all the way to the right until you find the 3:4 aspect ratio. You can keep scrolling like this and wait. Okay, this one guys, you can choose this aspect ratio and you can adjust the position, and then I'm going to go back to the adjustment. And if you want to create passport photo, we have to change the background. I'm going to change the background to white. So here I'm going to go to the background menu. You can scroll all the way to the right around here and find the background option. Okay, we're going to use this feature or this option to change our background. You can remove the background of your photo and then click on remove right here and go to the color, and you can choose the white color for your passport size photo. Okay, just select this option. Wait guys, I'm going to remove and select color. Okay, now it's done. As you can see that the background has been changed and the aspect ratio has been changed as well to 3:4 ratio. And after that, you just need to select this download icon to save the photo to your gallery. Okay, now the photo has been saved to my gallery. This is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create passport size photo using the Photoshop mobile application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And then if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel guys. And see you in the next video guys.